Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to buy DogeCoin using the FTX app. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and my growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First, open the FTX app, then go to the invest section on the left side of the screen, and at the invest section you can also either go to the search bar to search for any kinds of crypto, or you can go down to the tradable assets to the crypto section, and you can start scrolling to find the crypto that you are looking for. This technique can be a lot more useful because you can find some hidden gems, some cryptos that you might not know about, and can be some to the moon treasure chests. So we just found the DogeCoin, and when you tap on it, it's going to open up the DogeCoin profile, where you can see the statistics regarding Doge in the last 1 hour, 1 day, 1 week, 1 month, 3 months, or 1 year period. And if you scroll even below that, you can see some more information about the coin, the volume traded in the last 24 hours, which is $10 million, popularity, market cap, and circulating supply, which is not showing up right now. I don't know why. And yeah, when you have decided to, if you want to invest in DogeCoin, you just have to tap on buy, which is going to open up the buying page where you can type in the amount of DogeCoin that you would like to purchase. I'm not showing this right now because I don't want to share my personal information here on YouTube, but yeah, that's how you do it. I hope this video was helpful for you. If it was, please consider subscribing, and see you in the next one. Bye bye.